Pinpoint asteroids in orbit, then hurl y'all thousands of miles an hour towards it.
All right, so I wanted to oh, by the way, welcome if you're here watching, I appreciate it. But I wanted to go over this perspective thing on a flat plane, which a lot of flat earthers for some reason don't get this, don't understand this. So anyone, if you can see my cursor, this right here is what we should expect over a flat plane, like water, right? So this line down here would be the surface of water. And all these red lines are the same exact height above the water, right? This is what we would expect to see if this line right here is set at 5 feet, and all these lines right here are 5 feet above the water. That means this horizontal line would intersect every single point at the top of all those 5-foot poles, or whatever, let's call them poles, right? They would all intersect at the same elevation. The elevation is 5 feet, 5 feet, 5 feet, 5 feet, 5 feet. So this is what we'd expect to see. This is the orthographic view. Okay, now this is a perspective view. Again, horizontal line, which is this red line right here. This is what we'd expect to see through, let's say, an auto level. Everything would intersect at the same height, all the way onto the horizon. So anything that's on the water is at the same height, and everything should be in line, right? Nothing higher than anything else, right? Now, the problem is, in reality, this is what we see. See this boat here? Shout out, I can't remember his name again. Can't remember his name. Bobby Shafto. Shout out to Bobby Shafto. He's the one that took this picture. Shout out to Bobby Shafto, man. He does good work. This is a boat that he filmed at 2 miles, 3 miles, 4 miles, 5 miles. And as you can see, as the boat goes away, I mean, it's going down. Exactly what we would expect to see over a curved surface, right? Let's go back. This is a flat surface. This is what we would expect to see over a flat surface. Things are the same height, would all remain at the same height. Things over a curved surface would get lower. You see how that looks? 4 miles, 5 miles, 6 miles. This is exactly what we'd expect to see, right? But here's another thing. Same thing here. This is a perspective hallway, right? We're looking down this hallway. All of these blocks here, these different colored blocks, are all 5 feet tall. Well, in this one, it just says 5 feet, but we'll go with 5 feet. And this is eye level, right? The one off in the distance is taller than 5 feet. So as you can see, it's higher than the horizontal, right? Now, I want to give a special shout out to Arma, who created this little thing for me here. Let's go here and let's go to Blender. He went ahead and created this same thing in Blender, but he added something cool for me, and this is what's cool about it. All right, I can zoom in. All right, let's do this. Let's zoom in, and we'll try and put this right in the center here. All right, we'll zoom in. That way, we're zooming right into the center, and that's the center of the. All right, so as we go away, boom, we're zooming right to the center. So as I zoom in, right, everything is at the same height, just like on the other perspective hallway, right? Now, the cool thing about this is that he made this bend. Look at that. So this surface here is curved. Now that blue bar, which is taller than all the rest of them, is now lower than all the rest. Now let's go back. You see that? You see how the blue pole is taller than all the rest of them, but over a curved surface, this is what we would expect to see over a curved surface. I could zoom in. Nothing's getting higher than anything else as I zoom in, right? It's still same height, but now it's lower. So exactly what I would expect to see on a curved surface. I wouldn't expect to see this on a flat surface, right? Let's go back. Let's go back here. And we'll go, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right here, right? This is reality. This was taken by, shout out to Bobby Shafto. As the boat is going away, it is going down over a curved surface. Now, I don't know about you, but this tells me that the water's curved. In no way would this show me that the water is somehow flat, because it's not behaving like a flat surface. It's behaving like a curved surface, right? Again, here, flat surface, what we would expect. This is the orthographic view. Everything is the same exact height. Perspective view, same exact height, right? Reality, not following what we would see on a flat surface, right? Not following. Let's go back, because I love this. I'm shout out to Arma that made this for me in Blender, right? Curved surface. Let's zoom out a little bit, right? Let's go back here, and let's go back up. Zoom out. Flat surface. Boom. Flat surface. Curved surface. Flat surface. I mean, it doesn't get any more easy to understand than that. I don't know how flat earthers get this wrong, but anyway, that's all I wanted to show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and check out the rest of my videos if you're interested. And as always, peace.
Pinpoint asteroids in orbit, then hurl y'all thousands of miles an hour towards it.